Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. So for this week in the news, Amazon has unveiled its own drone. So we all know that Amazon has been talking for a while now about using drones for delivery of the packages. So they have now unveiled a camera-mounted drone that can fly around inside the house, and it's called the Ring Away Home Cam. So some of the features of the drone: it can launch itself from its base, automatically patrol your house if it's alerted to a disturbance by an alarm. But this personally gives me some privacy concerns. We have the Echo Dot being able to listen in on our conversations, and now a camera that can fly on its own and surveil your home. If a hacker manages to control either of these two devices, the Dot or the drone, just imagine the possible outcomes. What about our big brother, our government, if they have access to these devices? Just something to think about. Have a great week. Stay safe.